Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix your problem when you open VLC Media Player and it says your input can't be opened. So how you can fix this? Let's get started. Right click on VLC Media Player, open properties. Now in security tab, go over to advanced. In this you have to click on add and then click select a principal, then click advanced and then click find now, then click everyone and then click full control and then click OK, apply OK and restart your PC. This solves your problem, and if your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tool. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.